Hey DIYers, I'm Mark, and today on Make Your Mark we are making a beautiful stationery set. Now I don't know about you, but I'm sending a lot more cards and letters these days just to let my friends and family know how much I love them. Now we're colorizing this stationery with Cosmic Shimmers Watercolors. Now the cool thing about these watercolors is when they dry, they have a shimmery metallic effect that makes them look very chic and sophisticated. I picked these up at joggles.com. It's a great place to get craft supplies, so I'm gonna leave a link in the description to everything I used for this project and to joggles.com. Also, 50% off shipping on orders over $50. I think you guys are really gonna love joggles.com, so head over there and check them out. Don't forget to thumbs up if you like this video and leave me a comment if you have a question about this project or you just wanna say hi. Are you ready? Let's make some beautiful stationery to send to our friends. It's easy to print on watercolor paper from your home computer like I did. Just make sure to let the ink dry before you start watercoloring. The envelopes can be printed on anything from cardstock to plain copy paper, whatever you have on hand. I think the shimmery effect of these watercolors makes these cards look sophisticated and chic. If you're not comfortable with calligraphy, that's okay. Just pencil in some lines on the address label and practice on a piece of paper before you start writing to give you some confidence. If you mess up, do it on a separate piece of paper and glue it right on top. I'm going to leave a link to everything I used for this project in the description and a link to joggles.com. They have an amazing array of craft supplies I think you're really going to like ordering from this site. And now that supplies are kind of hard to come by, they're a great place to go. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Don't forget to press that notification bell so you know I have a new video. And I will see you next week. Bye.